All right, YouTube, check it out. Your boy just got a package in. I already opened it, but we got the new LITHIUMFX combo, the iridescent combo in. We got the clipper and trimmer in here. Clipper comes with a Chameleon FX titanium fade blade, a detent, 5 detent taper control lever, extends to a 4.2 millimeter, so that's like it opens up all the way to a 1. Lithium ion battery, and the trimmer's got a Chameleon FX titanium deep tooth blade, 0 gap adjustable. You know what? Let's just go ahead and open this up, man. Like, I know y'all don't even worry too much about this, but if y'all are, I'll go ahead and post it on the screen for y'all. But let's go ahead and open this up so we can see what actually comes inside. All right, guys, so check it out. Here is the clipper. As you can see, we got the Chameleon fade blade on there. As you can see, as far as body-wise, it's the same thing as the lithiums that came out earlier this year. We do have, you know, somewhat of a stretch bracket on there. Clipper opens a little more than normal. Fade blade. We do got the charging the charging port down here. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on for y'all. So I don't even know if y'all can hear on the mic. Super quiet. So I'm actually a big fan of the LITHIUMFXs. That's why I said, you know what, I need to get these, do a video with them. So check it out. Once again, I don't know if y'all can hear that, but they're on, super quiet. And then I am a fan of the trimmer also. Once again, we got the Chameleon deep tooth blade on there. On and off switch right here. As y'all can hear, the trimmer's on. Can barely hear it, nice quiet motor. We got the charging port down here. We got a light right here that'll start blinking when the clipper or when the trimmer is uncharging. So that's that. Let's go ahead and see what else comes in the box. All right, so underneath we get a lot of stuff in here. You know, well, I say a lot, but the traditional stuff, we get the babyless guards, not the premium guards, it's just the regular guards that they be sending with some of their tools. We do get a 0 gap setter, screwdriver, brush, stuff like that. We get 1 charger for both the clipper and trimmer. And then we also get the booklet that I really ain't even gonna take a look at. So yeah, man, that's basically what comes in the box. So once again, here is the new LITHIUMFX limited edition Chameleon LITHIUMFX, iridescent LITHIUMFX, whatever you wanna call them. We got the clipper and the trimmer. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the clipper on one more time for y'all. Super quiet motor. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the trimmer on for y'all. Same thing here, super quiet motor. But yeah, man, you know what it is, man. Your boy's gonna put these to work. Y'all gonna see me work with them, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about them. Let's go. Eating. If you hear me talking, don't mind me, bro. I'm doing a video. Sometimes I talk to myself. So y'all see the clipper eating through this bulk right away, man. Y'all know how Babyliss does it. And like I said earlier, man, I am a fan of the lithium, so I had to get my hands on these just so I can show y'all how them things working. I'm gonna debulk the sides with my 3 guard lever open, because y'all know these lithiums, they stretch a little more than regular clippers, so a 3 open is about a 4, and I can blend a 4 into, you know, anything really on top. So that's why I like to debulk with the 4, but in this case, I'm gonna do my 3 guard open. All right, now we're gonna go on with the clipper closed so y'all can see how this thing balls out. And this is straight out the box, straight from the factory, no 0 gapping, just straight out the box, man. All right, now we're gonna take the trimmer, see how this thing works. Man, this thing eating. So y'all can see, man, it's balding out good. It's not getting it as short as I would like, but the good thing about these trimmers, it's easy to zero gap these. So I could move the blade up a little bit if I wanted to, just to make them bald out a little better. But we're gonna see how they line up straight out the box also here in a second. But as you can see, man, these things eating through this bulk. No snagging or nothing. All right, now we're gonna start blending with this clipper. And like I said earlier, man, this clipper does, the lever does open up a little more than traditional clippers. So that can be a good thing or a bad thing depending on how you work it. But I like the stretch lever, so we're gonna put this thing to work. Like I said earlier, man, y'all can see this clipper taking down that hair easily. And like I said, I'm not using the guards that came with the clipper. I'm using my Babyliss premium guards on this clipper. And y'all can hear the clipper cutting. That's one thing I like about these clippers, man. You can actually hear the hair when it's being cut. I think that's a plus when it comes to clippers, man. If clippers can do that, it's a game changer.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Man, look at that blend though. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. All right, guys, so as you seen in the video, your boy was putting to use the Lithium Pro FX, the iridescent edition, you know what I'm saying? Basically, that just means like the chameleon colorways, you know, the color changing paint on the clipper. But I did do a review on the original. Well, I won't say the original, but I did do a review on the Lithium FX. They came out earlier this year, so I will leave that link down in the description so you can watch that out. But I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit about these. So these Lithium FX come with a 6800 RPM motor. That's the clipper and the trimmer. So you get a nice motor and nice power from both tools on this. So let me go ahead and turn the clipper on for y'all once again. So I don't even know if y'all can really hear it on the mic. It's super, super quiet. And then here's the trimmer. Trimmer is a little louder, but nonetheless, guys, super quiet clipper, super quiet trimmer, and you can't get the job done with just this clipper. You don't need a bunch of other tools. Now, I know us as barbers like to have different tools on the station, but you don't need any other tools, honestly. This combo for, I think it's like $209 on the Babyliss Pro website, and once again, you can't use my discount code TANK10 just so you can knock that price down a little bit. But for $209 on the Babyliss Pro website, guys, I don't think you can beat that for a good combo clipper and trimmer. And me personally, I really like the Lithium FX. I like the stretch bracket on there. That's one thing that I really like about this is the stretch bracket. It just makes it a lot easier when it comes to detailing. I really don't have to switch guards a lot while I'm detailing due to the way this lever stretches. Like I said, we got 6,800 RPMs in the motor, so it mows through bulk well. You know, it blends well. It does everything that you need a clipper to do. So why wouldn't it be a good purchase if it's something you're looking for? And then the trimmer, like I said, 6,800 RPM trimmer. We do get the chameleon blade on there. I think the chameleon blade does work well. I was using this fresh out the box, no zero gapping, no adjustment, no modification. Both the trimmer and clipper straight out the box. And y'all saw me getting down in the video. You saw that your boy was putting out good products with this. So like I said earlier in the video, guys, it does come with the same charger for both the clipper and the trimmer. And that's a plus because you don't want to have a lot of cords on the station, right? You want to have minimal cords on your station. That way you can have your station looking decluttered. You don't want all that clutter on your station. So one cord that's going to charge both the clipper and trimmer, that's a pro also, right? Now, I know some people were telling me that they didn't like this clipper because it just didn't feel powerful. So once again, turn it on. It is super quiet, and it may not feel as powerful as some tools, but I promise you it gets the job done, and I promise you it works. Now, ergonomically, I think it works great. It has great weight distribution on the clipper. It fits in my hand fine. I have no issues with the ergonomics of it. And me personally, I actually favor the ergonomics of this clipper more than some of the other Babyliss tools. Not saying the other Babyliss tools are bad, but you know, I just like the way this one fits in my hand. I like the weight distribution, and I really like the way it works. And when it comes to the trimmer, I'm a big fan of this trimmer. When I first got this trimmer a while back, when they sent me the first Lithium trimmer, I was really impressed with it. And same thing with this one. Still has great weight distribution. The ergonomics of it are good, fits in your hand well, and then y'all know the Babyliss blades be smacking, right? So I really don't have nothing bad to say about this trimmer or this clipper. Once again, $209 on the Babyliss Pro website. If you're trying to get a clipper and trimmer combo, $209, man, that's a deal, you know what I'm saying? But that's basically all I wanted to talk to y'all in this video. That's all I needed to say about this clipper and trimmer in this video. So yeah, man, once again, if you are interested in these tools, you can go to BABYLISSPRO.com, use my discount code TANK10, save yourself a little bit of money. But if for whatever reason you don't find them there, or you want to purchase these and other brand tools, you can go to FWBarberSupply.com. I do have a discount code with them also, TANK10. Use that at FWBarberSupply.com, save yourself some money. You know, I know it's barbers like to buy stuff. So with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.